Hi. So, this is my Justin Bieber hair. Kasi nauso na yung buhok ni Justin Bieber. So I'm trying to copy him because he's awesome and I'm a believer. And I've been stuck inside the house for like 5 days already. There's been a zombie apocalypse and everybody I know is missing. Kataon kasi pumunta sila sa ibang lugar. Tapos biglang nagka-zombie apocalypse. Ako na lang yung natira sa house. So I don't know if they're still out there. And I hope they are. I hope they're still out there. Because I'm really scared. So yeah, I just want to show how awesome this recording camcorder is, because it has this date and it looks vintage and shit. So yeah, that's it. The zombie apocalypse, it's not true. I'm so sorry. Too bad. And no, this is not a Justin Bieber hair. This is my hair. Yeah. Bye!